Welcome to school 2. School 2.
Receptionist.
Well, I don't know.
How you doing, my
I better
brother?
not vex. I go attend to one of our customers when they retain the room.
I'm on this one hotel. Don't find now.
I know we dey improve. Everybody dey improve.
Help me clean room 5.
Room 5.
I get visitor.
That means you quickly book down now.
Shut up, pay. I'll pay now. That one is small thing. Una they get all these point and key fish.
We get on but na 10,000.
For one?
Yeah.
Or you do 2.
2. That is 20,000.
Do 2. Then help me clean the room.
There is a new law. No refundable.
No, they refund. No, there's no problem.
But
There's no
director,
problem.
the way director take change things.
Now 30,000 be there. If I need any other thing, I go still let you know.
Okay. Well, you have to sign.
Okay.
You will need condom, have you?
That one is short thing now.
Because there's condom for every person that
make my own 4 or 5.
No problem. You start on the customer service.
Because I'll be here till tomorrow.
Okay.
Utu.
Yeah, don't worry. When you are still around?
No, I'm waiting. Just clean the room. Let me.
Okay.
Hello? I'm there already. I'm there. Don't keep me waiting, no. Okay, now.
What? Phone card?
Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Baby, this is the guy I was telling you about.
Jesus is Lord!
Actually, helping with some bill.
Emmanuel, are you telling me?
Especially that bill, that rent bill. It was one that paid it.
Oh,
so,
that's good.
meet my husband.
Oh my days, you know more worry torí Ọlọ́run.
Thank you very much. My wife
Lórí àwọn
told
ọmọ
me a
yìí.
lot about you, how you be helping her and sorting out things and giving her money and all that. I really appreciate. These are the kind of people we want in this our country. You are a nice man. Thank you very much. God bless you. I really appreciate. I also let me accompany her so that I can thank you for taking care of my wife. Thank you very much.
The room is ready. Prepare the room. The room is ready. I even dropped the condoms. Soup. The pepper soup is ready to the fish.
You will end up in McDonald's.
Honey?
Yes?
Let's go and eat the fish now.
Yes, even prepared fish.
The fish. Good man, young man, let's go and eat the fish.
Which fish?
The fish.
You came with which fish?
The fish.
Let me show you where the fish is.
No, the fish. Let's.
School 2.